Hello, this is Dallin Einach, and I'll be going over my website. So as you can see, this is my home page. Has a background video, has my logo here, nav bar, footer. Go to the About page. This has just like an About Us, who we are, our goal, our mission, so to speak. I'd have a picture of our team, and then this gets switched, or our logo gets put up here as a tan background to contrast with the dark brown here. And then you can click on Let's Explore or Blog. It's going to go the same place. This is my blog page. It would have blogs, obviously, about the national parks or various nature things. You can see a figure, fig caption, matching the tan up here. Kind of breaks it apart with the tan, dark brown, dark brown. Then they have like a read more if you were to have like a longer blog that doesn't fit into this section. Then click that and go to the full blog. There's that. And then we have the gallery. This would have various pictures of national park animals or scenes. Just tells you a little bit up here that we try and bring you the latest and most astonishing pictures of the national parks, and that the user can also submit their own pictures to the contact page. So if they had some pictures they want to send us, they could do so through there. And we have, we can click contact page here, a contact up there. You can see it does the same thing. Has the contact us header, gives you ideas of why you'd want to contact us, tells you what you need to do, please fill out the form, and tells you how long it takes for us to respond. They would enter their name, email, a file if they're uploading a picture to us, and their message. And they'd hit submit, and it'd get sent to us. Okay. So a couple things about the project. I guess the hardest thing was to get this video to work properly. There's a lot of weird things you have to go through to get the picture to size or the video to size properly without leaving like weird spacing if you want the footer to be connected, and that you don't want it to get messed up once you resize. So this obviously doesn't. But that was a huge hurdle for me to jump through. It was also probably the most engaging part of the whole process here. Design decisions, mostly color, was that I wanted to go with a nature theme, so browns, greens, then whites just for the contrast. Try to make it look professional with the font. Try to make it big, easily readable. Try to make the site easy to navigate. You know where you're going and why you need to go there. Just like I gave them links to kind of navigate through the pages as they go. So yeah, that about concludes my website, and thank you very much.